Test, test. No, I don't own a selfie stick. This is just me using my unbelievably strong forearms to hold up my tripod like a selfie stick. Don't try that if you're just a regular human, but if you're like me, yeah, go ahead and try. It's super easy. Anyways, guys, we all know that the move was dummy fast, and it really was. Part of what that entails, though, is having a whole bunch of strangers cram everything that you own into a bunch of unmarked boxes. So in the end, here's what my workshop looks like. A piece of plywood. No. Look at that. Can't even really turn on a light or anything, but I really was not joking in that picture post where I referred to it as a workshop salad. It's really bad in here, guys. And what's worse is I can't even just clear out a little spot and set up a table and start making my videos again because winter is coming. Winter is coming as heck. And if I don't insulate this place, it is going to go just like it did a couple of years ago where I spent, you know, 2 weeks out here making that freaking crossbow right there. And then I posted the video after dang near getting frostbite and it got demonetized. So I would much rather get demonetized after working in a heated garage. So I have to insulate this place as I'm setting up my workshop. So I got my bunch of insulation right there. First order of business though, this I don't even know if this qualifies as a door anymore. Someone explain how a door can have bangs. Ah, man, I do have to get another hinge. Shoot. Well, anyways, this thing is falling apart, and up until a few days ago, it was stuffed full of bees. Well, luckily, as it's gotten a lot colder out here, the bees all crumpled up and fell out. I have chased my fair share of squirrels and a skunk, actually, out from this garage because this door doesn't close. So this morning, me and my dad went to the Restore, and all their prices were booty, so we went to Home Depot instead, and we got this door. This honestly isn't even going to be that much less space to work in than my other workshop was. My other workshop basically took up the exact same amount of workspace. It just had a lot more storage space was the thing.
It was at this exact moment that what could only be described as an otherworldly entity, ghost, demonic, paranormal presence slammed a door behind me.
I think a ghost just slammed this door. Ew. Let's see if it does it again. Whoa, God. I don't see how people can just not believe in ghosts. Like, it's right there. I'm serious. Catching ghosts is easy. What kind of dork can't just go out and film a ghost? To think some people devote their whole lives to trying to find a ghost, and I literally just found one right now. And he's still there. What the heck? Zak Bagan's, you big for nothing. I'm twice your size, 5 times stronger than you, and I found 100% more ghosts than you've ever found. Just by finding that one ghost right there. Anyways, let's try to do something about this door right now. Oh, also part of the reason why I haven't been able to film is because, like I said, having all these strangers shoving all my stuff in boxes, I haven't known where my memory card or my camera battery or my charger has been this whole entire time. I've just had my empty naked camera this whole entire time. But I think I do know where my drill is. I can take this door off at least. Okay, I just found my drill, but I don't have a drill bit, so time to go spelunking. Oh, baby. Whoa, I didn't know I could do the splits. Ooh, baby. Cool. If I was Zak Bagan's, I would probably spend 5 seasons trying to find these drill bits. And in the end, I would have to fake finding them and go to the store and buy them. My memory card is giving me grief right now. I have to turn off the camera and turn it back on like 5 times before the memory card stops pretending it's full. So I gotta get a new one pretty soon. I also am pretty sure I just need a new camera. Everything on it just wiggles back and forth. It's like if an old pirate ship was a camera. Okay, this should work. Them things go halfway to China. There's something oddly satisfying about knowing that you got every ounce of usage out of some particular product you possibly could have. Holy smackerel. Look at all those chickens. Ooh, that boy's still alive, but he cold. Same, buddy. All right, well, some idiot used different screws to put the hinge to the door frame than they actually used to attach the hinge to the door. I'm like 99% sure that was me. All right, not to make you guys jealous or anything, but I just got back from Menards just thinking I would buy a regular headlamp, but what I found was actually the evolution of light. And here I thought light was pretty good. I guess it still had a ways to go. It also came with this, it's like a handheld lantern, sorta. It's pretty bright, actually. Not a sponsor, by the way, I just bought this. Who knows? Ow! Who knows, maybe I'll figure out how to do sponsorships. All right, well, here's my epic new lighting setup, guys. I'm gonna take this thing, and I'm gonna put it up on top of this cabinet, and using science, I'm gonna point it over here so you can kind of sort of see what I'm doing. I'm like, it's almost 8 o'clock and I'm like dummy awake right now, dude. Like I'm kind of concerned that I'm not even gonna be able to fall asleep tonight. Probably not the best to be, you know, blasting my brains with all this blue light, but you know, I should be feeling a little something right now, huh? Oh well. I mean, I got church in the morning. That's the big thing. All right, guess I gotta get cutting, huh? Man, it'd be so easy if I could just cut the door, but it's steel and I don't wanna do it. Oh shoot, I gotta poop.
Upon putting my butt upon the toilet seat to poop up in it, something that could only be described as satanic happened.
Ugh, very frustrated right now, guys. I just tried to poop, not a sponsor, and I sat down on somebody's pee, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I might just have to shut down my channel now. I'll finish this door and then I'll think about shutting down my channel.
Could this be ghost pee or demon pee on my butt? Ew.
I look like an alien coming to abduct you. I have come for your baby wipes. I have pee on my butt. Oof. These headlamps are pretty sick. I should have guessed taking part in the evolution of light would have its benefits. Okay, this should get me most of the way. Ugh. Gross. Ugh, no one ever told me sawdust off a 100-year-old garage tastes bad. All right, let's see how this door's looking in the door frame. It's dummy close. It's literally the little vinyl flaps on the bottom of the door not letting this fit in. Wait a minute, so does that mean if I put it in top first, there'll be a good seal? I mean, kinda. You don't want the seal to be too good, or that's just called having a door that's too big for your frame. If it's like a full bicep workout every time I have to open the door, I don't think that's the right direction. I think the door frame is warped too. Never an easy day for a nibba. Work, work, work. You know what? Heck it. This is actually a pretty good door fit. Oh, just kidding. No, that's not good. Well, what the heck do I do? Because I can force it in, but the dang flaps on the bottom. Wait a minute, I do recall these little black ball things on the top of the door. I wonder if those are just tacked in there. If I could remove those, I do think that would provide just enough clearance. And Clarence's parents got a real nice marriage. See that? I wasn't joking. They all thought I was lying. I'm just gonna tell myself in my brain that this thing is actually just for transportation, so it doesn't scratch up the top and the bottom of the door in the truck or whatever. I'm gonna pretend they didn't put that there for a reason. But if this is all it takes to get the door to fit, that'd be pretty epic.
It was at this exact moment that what could only be described as me losing my drill in the dark for 40 minutes happened. Could this be a demonic entity indirectly telling me to get lost, and not just the fact that I literally do this all the time?
Whew, thank God I found it. For a second I thought someone stole the banana guacamole. Now check this out. Ooh, it's like a normal flashlight now. I don't know if you can even see this. Just hang it from there. And now I got kind of a light. I mean, it's better than not kind of a light. Well, it closes good. And you just gotta disengage it a little bit and then run around to the other side and push. Definitely functional. Now to preserve the doorknob, I'm gonna attach this gate handle here and I finna pull on this instead of the doorknob. So probably pretty obvious at this point, but I'll be the one to go ahead and say it. Some things gotta change. Typically in a situation like this, I would say, well, fellas, thanks for watching, but in an effort to just increase the efficiency of the channel, I've decided I'm gonna have to combine well, fellas, and just start saying wellas. So, you know, wellas, thanks for watching. Bye.